Hey guys, welcome back to the small garden. As you can see, some of the flowers are already blooming, and aren't they lovely? I set up the pool for the kids here, and then here I have the rest of the flowers, looking lovely.
Stop your thinking and start your living.
And then let me take you guys. It's a mess over there. I have to clean all that up. But I have a little roller coaster that goes with that car. I have a water table that has to be cleaned. I just built this today. I have my seedlings here that I'm gonna transport over here. I just built this today out of just regular pine. Just regular pine 2x8. And it looks great. I think it cost me up to maybe around $10. That cost me like $10. And look, it looks amazing. We gotta clean that mess up, don't mind that. I have some more sunflowers here, and then some wild garlic that I have growing in naturally. Then my apple tree.
This might be my only chance.
I made a mixture for the bugs of cayenne pepper, Dawn dish soap, some baking soda, and some sort of oil of some kind. I don't know, eucalyptus oil. That's right, that's what I did. And it looks great. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching my update, and stay tuned for the rest of the blooms.